Frankenstein, you know that snacks aren't allowed in class?
But Professor, I need my chips.
Give it to me.
Oh.
Go. Huh? Zombie, what's that?
It's my brain. I need it for school.
Okay, go to your seat.
Thank you.
Huh? Zombie, why is your brain on the plate?
It's not really my brain. It's actually Jello. Look. It's delicious. Look. See, it's so good. Do you want some?
Sure.
Have as much as you like.
Oh, yes.
Is that chewing I hear? Who's eating in my class?
Oh, this is Zombie's food.
I can explain.
Zombie, you know the rules. Get out of my class. Get out!
I'll get you, Frankenstein.
To make the secret monster recipe? Zombie?
Huh? What's wrong, Professor?
Why do you have eyeballs on your desk?
Don't worry about it, Professor. They're just my extra eyeballs in case they fall out.
If you say so.
Yeah. Psst, Frankenstein, do you want one?
Ew, no way. I don't want to eat an eyeball.
Shh, calm down, Frankenstein. It's not real. It's just candy. Look. How about now, Frankenstein? Do you want one?
Yeah.
Here you go.
And after you add these ingredients, huh?
Sorry, Professor. My eye fell out. I just need to put a new one.
Okay, everyone, attention on the board.
Yes,
Professor.
Hey, Zombie, look at this.
Wow, Frankenstein, you brought slime to class?
It's not slime. Watch this.
Wow, how did you make it?
Oh, it was easy. I'll tell you. To make the honey jello, we just need honey, food coloring, and an empty water bottle. Just pour in the honey, and then add food coloring. Now we just mix it together. Now we can add our favorite candy. Finally, we just pour it into the bottle. Now we just leave it in the freezer overnight and it'll be ready to go.
Oh, this is so cool!
What is the meaning of this?
Oh, well, you see, it's
It's slime!
Slime, huh? Why does it smell like candy?
It's a new scent!
You're right! How dare you lie to me? Leave my class!
Oh, but...
Go now!
Oh, well, at least I'm not in trouble. Whew. Huh? Zombie, what's wrong?
I don't have energy! I can't focus! I need candy!
Zombie, calm down!
Hey! Stop making so much noise and get back to work!
Oh, sorry, Professor. Zombie, here, take this.
Huh? What am I supposed to do with the pencil?
It's not a normal pencil, it's candy.
Whoa, really? How did you make it?
It's easy, we just need a small pencil, sweet ropes, and edible glue. Put edible glue on the pencil. Put the pencil on the sweet rope. Now it's ready to eat.
Wow, you're a genius, Frankenstein!
Hey! I smell candy!
What?
We don't have candy, just pencils.
Yeah!
I got my eyes on you.
Yes.
This is my favorite candy! I want to eat it in class, but if I do, Professor will take it from me! Ooh! I'll use this to hide my candy from Professor! Just add some hot glue to the stick of a lollipop. Now stick it on the headband. And now I'm ready for school!
This better be all your candy. Go to your seat. Backpack.
Alright, Professor, I don't have anything! Look!
Your bag looks good. Do you have any in your pocket?
No, I don't! Look!
Everything looks good. You can come in.
Yes! Alright, now I can eat my candy. She didn't know it was candy.
Hey, Zombie, watch this.
Wow, look at mine!
Oh, wow, what flavor is that?
This is a real eraser. This one's the candy. It blends in with my different food erasers.
Ooh, can I try one?
Sure.
Ooh.
What's going on here?
Oh, nothing. We were just showing off our new school supplies.
Really? Then what is this?
What? They're just food-shaped erasers. Look.
it's okay.
Yes!
Zombie, let me check your backpack.
No way, Professor! It's mine!
Give it to me.
No, it's mine!
Give it.
Oh no, Professor Vampire's checking for snacks! Oh, what am I gonna do? Oh! I just need to cut paper to the size of this pencil box. Next, just glue some pencils to the paper. Now we just use this to hide the candy. Now the professor will never find my candy.
Frankenstein, let me check your backpack.
Okay.
What's in here?
Just school supplies, Professor.
Everything looks all right. Let's continue the lesson.
Yes, she didn't notice anything. Yeah. Huh?
Frankenstein, you know you can't be eating in this class.
But I'm so hungry.
No, rules are rules. Get back to work.
Oh.
Frankenstein, you want some candy?
Of course, but how did you sneak it past Professor?
Easy. Look at my bracelet.
Whoa, you're a genius, zombie.
Thank you.
Hey, stop talking. Bye, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.